Hello dear student, welcome back for another lesson in Unit 7, Lesson 1, the subject of active and passive. Let's see what's the active and passive. First of all, we have some notes in order to change a sentence from active to passive. That says how to change active to passive. So we have to follow these rules in order to change an active sentence to a passive sentence. First of all, we remove the subject. Okay. The second one, we replace object with the subject. So first of all, we remove the subject and we replace a find object and replace it with the subject. Always object comes after some preposition like for, to, with, in, on, at, or by. Usually, or you can say always, object comes after some prepositions like these that has shown. Object might be nouns or pronouns. Another point, the colors never became object. So you have to know that the colors never became objects. If the object is object pronouns, we should change it to subject pronoun. Okay. If our object is one of the object pronouns, we should change it to subject pronoun. After the object, it should be one of the verb to be appear, like is, are, was, were, be or been or being. Okay. After the object, it should one of the verb to be's, either it is in past or in present, should be appear. We should change the verb in past participate form. We should change the verb in past participate form. We rewrite the complement as itself. We rewrite the complement as itself. If the question asked to use by an agent, we should rewrite the subject again. If in the question asked to use or to use by plus agent, we should rewrite the subject again. These are if the active sentence was negative, the passive sentence will negative too. Okay, if the active tense was negative, also the passive tense should be negative too. So we cannot change from negative to positive or positive to negative. If it's positive, the passive tense will be negative, and if it's positive, it will remain as a positive tense. These are some of the points. Another point that we have, be aware some subject and object might be more than one words, like the best easy, essay, some words, a picture, the guitar. Be aware that some subject and object might be more than one word. Okay, so sometimes there is three or two words that it is subject, or together they are object. For example, the best essay, some words, a picture, or the guitar, they can be a subject or the object too. These are all the 12 points about how to change an active sentence to the passive sentence. I hope you understand very well. Thank you very much for your listening.